What each terminal on a Honeywell Pro TH3000 thermostat represents is critical for wiring and troubleshooting your heating and cooling system correctly. The R terminal supplies 24-volt power from the transformer and is usually the red wire, while the C terminal is the common or blue wire used when the thermostat needs a continuous hardwired power source for features like Wi-Fi or backlighting. The G terminal controls the blower fan and is typically green, so connect it to the furnace or air handler fan relay and verify the fan runs when you manually call for fan. The Y terminal operates the compressor contactor for cooling or heat pump stages and should be tied to the outdoor unit control wire. If cooling does not engage, check for continuity and proper relay voltage. The O terminal shifts the reversing valve for most heat pump brands into cooling mode, and the B terminal does the same for some brands like Ruud and Rheem, where it shifts for heating mode, so confirm which valve polarity your system requires before wiring. The AUX terminal is for auxiliary heat such as a backup electric strip or gas furnace support and should be used with staged systems. The E terminal is for emergency heat, which forces auxiliary heat only and bypasses the heat pump, useful for compressor failure or extreme cold. The L terminal can provide a second power source indicator during emergency heat setups on some configurations and should be used only per the model manual to avoid cross-powering transformers. Common mistakes include assuming every heat pump uses the same reversing valve terminal, which causes incorrect valve activation and short cycling. Check the outdoor unit label and set the thermostat configuration for O or B accordingly. Another frequent error is omitting the common wire when adding a smart thermostat, which results in intermittent power and rebooting. Run and connect a proper common conductor or use a compatible power extender kit following the manufacturer guidance. People also sometimes wire auxiliary and emergency heat incorrectly by tying auxiliary to emergency terminals, which can prevent staged operation. Wire AUX for staged backup and E for true emergency only, and test both modes separately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted, local contractors and browse project examples that relate to thermostat wiring and HVAC work. We connect contractors to potential jobs and host an active discussion community where we and other members exchange wiring tips and troubleshoot common thermostat issues.